It is currently 7:13 in the morning. Basically where I'm going today is the Alo Yoga Headquarters in Beverly Hills. They're gonna host a really fun like wellness class for some of the Sephora Squad members, and I get to be a part of it. The event doesn't start until 12:30, but I like to give myself plenty of time because I drive from Palm Springs, and honestly LA can get a little hectic with like all the traffic, and I always stop for a coffee. So I just try to make time for everything, and I want to like not feel rushed getting ready. So I'm gonna hot brush my hair. This is my second time using this. This is from Bondi Boost. They sent it to me and I actually like it because sometimes like I don't want to hear the whole sound of like the blow dryer. The fact that it's quiet, it's morning time, like this is like the vibe right now. Guys, I am ready to go. I actually think I'm going to change my outfit completely, so I'll update you on what I end up wearing, but hair and makeup is done. So we just got to LA. Actually, we're in Century City. We really had to pee, so we came to the Century City Mall to pee. They have really nice bathrooms, by the way, totally worth it, and the first hour of parking is free, so win-win. We're luckily only like 5 minutes down the road from the Alo Yoga Headquarters.
Sometimes they do Monday Night Football in here. They do movie types of shots, but I'll take this one. Okay. So yeah.
And get back to a state of like balance.
Yes, I love that.
So is that what you're feeling, or
yes,
you tell
I feel
me?
like I can always use that. I also feel like maybe somewhere like in digestion or hormones. I don't know. I feel like I get really.
Those are all related, right?
Okay.
Stress. Our digestion is definitely linked to our vagus nerve to our stress.
puppy over
Thank
here.
God.
Look how beautiful he is.
I missed you.
I missed you.
Now we have to
He
go
was
in another 2 months.
I know.
Oh.
We're almost there.
We're almost there.
And we don't live that far from each other, but you're a busy bee.
I know, and so are you. We're just so busy.
We're just
We're just
what can
booked
we
and
say?
busy.
Tired. It's 5 o'clock. The event is over. We are officially heading back home. But we're actually gonna stop to get dinner. We're gonna go get Korean barbecue before we make that big old drive back home. Which honestly I don't think will be that bad. Right now the map said like 3 hours and it's like 5 o'clock. So I think if we like wait it out, go eat, it won't be that bad. The event was incredible. Alo Headquarters is absolutely stunning, and unfortunately for me, I don't think that I will, well actually, no, I'm not gonna say that to myself. I will be back, I know it. However, at the moment, everything, in order to access Alo Yoga, like their gym and their yoga sessions and all that, you do have to be invited. It's exclusive, like invite only type of situation. So I don't have the plug just yet, but I will. I'm gonna manifest that for myself. Besides all of that, it was just so amazing to see some of the squad members. It was amazing to meet some of the Alo Yoga people that, you know, have created these products and kind of watch them like grow from like an idea to now seeing them inside of like Sephora. So I got this giant goodie bag, which I will share with you guys. Actually, I'm gonna add to this vlog. I'm gonna share my goodie bag with you guys. Here is the giant bag of goodies from the Alo event. So let's go through them. First things first, we got the Omega C body wash. We also got the Superfruit moisturizing body lotion. So this also has magnesium in it, coconut oil, arnica, and amla. Head to toe glow oil. This is gonna be so clutch for the summer. This has turmeric, botanical oils. We also got a restorative hand cream. We got a supernatural deodorant. This is gonna have aloe, probiotics, and hyaluronic acid. They were telling us that when it comes to like a natural deodorant, there is gonna be like a detox period. So it's like normal for you to kind of like smell a little bit before you start to smell good. It's like a weird thing, I know. But it's kind of like when you stop drinking coffee, you're not just gonna like feel perfectly fine right after. Next thing is the vitamin C glow shots, which we took there. They're actually pretty tasty. They're a little tart, but they taste good for brighter skin and better health. We also got the magnesium reset spray. This is my used magnesium bottle. Literally, you can spray this on the feet, on the hands, you can put this on the neck, and it's literally just gonna help you calm down and just feel good. Magnesium is something that we all need in our body, and it's gonna help like clear our brain fog. It's actually really good for you if you struggle with anxiety, and it's a vitamin that our body needs. So what better way than to have like a topical so that you can further better your health. We have the Mindful Magnesium Bath Soak. So this has, when you spray 3 times, it's like 45 mgs of magnesium. One full dose of this is 160 mgs of magnesium, so you're gonna fall asleep right away. But last thing is this cute little lasting lip balm, which my husband is gonna steal from me. I know it. He's been really into lip balms lately, thanks to ASAP Rocky. All right, guys, that wraps up our goodie bag, and of course the bag itself is a whole goodie bag. So that's a wrap on this vlog. To be very honest and transparent with you guys, I don't get invited to a lot of events because I'm not in LA. So whenever these little invitations come along, I get so excited and I try my best to make time for it, because I still have to request time off work for it, make sure that like, you know, my car is good because it's a 2-hour drive. I feel so excited when I'm included. Who doesn't, right? And don't forget to follow me on all my other social channels. I'm usually more consistent on there. It's basically me playing with makeup, doing my makeup. I'm showing you a little bit of my life in Palm Springs, a little bit of my life as a Sephora manager, as a member of Sephora Squad, which is really cool. So there's a lot more PR hauls and try-ons that are happening on there. So just be sure to follow along. Okay, bye.